Today I will show you how to uninstall TensorFlow in Windows. First I am going to import it and show you that I already have it. Import TensorFlow as TF. It is taking some time to import. You can see that it has been imported. Now let's uninstall. In search you will type cmd. Then you have to type pip uninstall TensorFlow. Press enter. Found existing installation. This is the one that is already installed. And now it will uninstall it. Uninstalling TensorFlow. Press Y. It will ask you some confirmation. You just have to press Y. Successfully uninstalled TensorFlow. Now I will click it. I will restart this kernel. I will click on this restart. Click here restart. This is restarting now. Now let me import it again. I should get an error. Press enter. Here you can see in the output no module named TensorFlow. That means TensorFlow has been successfully uninstalled from my Windows. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.